clash of heads. The judges, folks, who are keeping the official scorers of this contest tonight: Lawrence Newfield, Lyndell Allen of Jamaica, and the candidates David Dunbar. So my scorecard, I always remind you, entirely unofficial, just trying to keep you in the loop and give you an idea of what is happening. But the fight is being scored by Lawrence Newfield, Lyndell Allen, David Dunbar. 3 judges always score a fight, never one, so never mind my scorecard. And they are sitting at 3 different angles, getting a full perspective of what is happening in the ring. 30 seconds gone. Oh, Ian Jardine, you notice he said stop, stop. One of the things is you must listen to my command at all times, and he never said resume. He would have to give the signal to resume. And Ian Jardine is in command of his fight. And he said to LeBlanc, don't lead with your elbow. A good right by Holmes. Stinging right hook. Oh, Holmes threw a wild right, missed, spun around quickly, because I'm surprised that LeBlanc was not on him in a flash. LeBlanc, his mouth is open. I have a concern about that. It's quite early in the fight. Midway round 2. And Ian Jardine is not going to necessarily intervene. He will allow the fighters to punch their way out of clinches, unless one is really holding, like Holmes had LeBlanc's right glove under his armpit. LeBlanc is not charging in as he did in the opening round. Threw a combination and caught Holmes, but he woke up the sleeping lion. Holmes came right back with the combinations of his own. LeBlanc looked a little perplexed at that response by Holmes, and a ringing uppercut on the inside. LeBlanc is staying close. He's trying to get close. He's not trying to hold on. He's trying to get close, because that's where he does his best fighting. Mouth open, LeBlanc. And Holmes should take note of that. One of the keys to victory for LeBlanc, as I pointed out, he has to present a high-pressure fight. It's like in football, you want to play a high press up the pitch. He has to do that to pressure Holmes. If he allows Holmes to settle and be comfortable and box from the outside, it's going to be a very long night for LeBlanc.